now it's recording. Did you watch the Bird Box on Netflix?
Yeah, it's crazy. I didn't really care for the ending. Like, I feel like they should have, like, lumped up, like, explaining what the creature, what the being was.
Right.
But I mean, it was good. It was entertaining. Have you seen You?
I just binge watched it last night. I was like, you talking about crazy?
Right. Yeah, we that was our weekend. Watched it.
Alright, so I didn't plan on it, watching the whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
Like we're just gonna watch a little bit tonight and finish it.
Right.
Nope, we just kept going.
It was good. Yeah, I mean, seeing it from his perspective,
Mm-hmm.
that's usually about the victim and the person that's been experiencing it, but it was crazy because they made him so like sweet and young and good looking, so it didn't seem like a threat. But
Right.
crazy.
He was a total stalker.
Crazy.
Professional.
Murder, everything just crazy. It was good.
In the name of love.
That's what they say.
Now, do you think the ending part when his girlfriend came back, do you think he was dreaming or that she wasn't dead?
No, I think she came back. I don't know if maybe he tried to kill her and wasn't successful.
Okay.
But I can't believe he killed what's her name back.
Yeah.
That surprised me.
He had to.
Well, I thought like now the little boy probably. I wonder if he's gonna be training him.
I think so. I think the little boy's gonna end up like him. It's like he ended up like that.
That's crazy. It's sad. But
the little boy trusts him because he really helped him. The little boy out.
Yeah. I mean, I get like the mom said, oh well, he's connected, but still, you put your child in harm's way. You're just in harm's way yourself.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't understand that. That was a good show. Him and Karen didn't seem like a realistic couple to me.
Yeah, I knew that wasn't gonna last long.
Yeah, it just seemed like forced. Like it didn't seem like it was even realistic. They were just so different. Which I mean, he tried to explain it. It was good for him because it was different, but there didn't seem to be much chemistry.
That's why she was like, all right. She just left like, oh, I forgot something.
Right. He had answers though. He always had a quick answer.
Mm-hmm. He got that off when she typed the whole story up and blamed it on her therapist, the one she was cheating with.
Yeah, she ended it. But why people they always hit the person one time, run away. Like,
I know, it's a psycho.
And
they don't just die.
Don't die at all. Even though it was a mallet.
Mm-hmm.
Solid mallet. Still.
We got a few minutes.
At least a couple licks in there. I like it.
Mm-hmm. Slow, you can still see your cut.
Mm-hmm.
It's professional.
She did enough. She did decent on her house.